Meaning of inrush.
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 Inrush. The term inrush refers to the sudden surge of electrical current that occurs when a device is switched on or connected to a power supply. This phenomenon can cause a brief but significant increase in voltage levels, which can potentially damage the device or the power source itself. In order to prevent this from happening, many electrical systems incorporate protective measures, such as fuses or circuit breakers, to limit the inrush current and maintain stable operation. Overall, understanding the concept of inrush is important for ensuring the safety and reliability of various electrical devices and systems.